Email marketing checklist, guys. Give me the next 10, maybe 15 minutes, and we're going to go through an email marketing checklist you may have not been aware of. Stay tuned for the training. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Okay guys, today we're going to go through email marketing checklist. Now, the previous video that I recorded was about internet marketing checklist, and within all of those internet marketing checklists, it would have took us a long time to kind of go through that. So I decided to break it down to the individual categories within the internet marketing checklist, and we will just break down a few of them within what is already available, because some of them are not available yet, but eventually they will come. So let's just go back to our traffic domination system, go to our link, guys, and we'll go back here and we'll take a look at the email checklist. And these are things that if you had a checklist and you start to go through this over and over and over, then you can make sure that you have everything, checked right so you can be effective when it comes to email marketing. Now, it is a lot of, it's 18 checklists, and we're not going to go through all of them. We're just going to go through some of them just to make sure you're tracking on that. And then I'll have a link so you can access this anytime that you want to. So let's just go through this first one where it says email marketing quick start guide. So let's just go through this. This is just to make sure you're aware of, because I think a lot of people, because of the new social media platform, and you gotta go to social media. Everybody has kind of put email marketing to the side. But guys, let me tell you something. When it comes to social media, you have to kind of interact with people daily. Whereas you can shoot an email out to people. Now that's daily, but you can interact a more effective way when it comes to email marketing. So let's just go through and look at a few. Excuse me. Let me get a swallow. Okay. All right. I had to learn this the hard way. The basic requirements for email marketing. Do you have a website, domain, or hosting? You need to check that yes or no. Let me tell you something, guys. To me, the most effective way to have very deliverability email is through your own domain. And then you can have that service go to Amazon. Yeah, your own domain is better delivery than those services. The reason why I say that, because you got your sites like Aweber's and GetResponse and all those things, you get a pretty good deliverer, but I'm just telling you, you get a much better one on your own domain. And then another thing, have you an autoresponder service, and they ask you all these questions right here. Have you a way to build a host or landing page? And we can talk about that later. You can look on my link below and it'll teach you how to do that. Okay. Have you a free report or video or bribe for your people to sign up? These are the things that people have to do that. And when I talk about having a free report for something that you want someone to sign up, this is what I always after. And this is under your offer or your funnel. You make sure that if you offer them something, make sure whether they do business with you or not, they can use that free report, that free offer. Don't just get their name and you give them some that's not valuable. You make sure if you have to go out and buy something to get that lead, you make sure it is something that they can use. I'm just telling you, people have been bribed so much to where if you just got junk to try to get their email and they do opt in, they're not gonna buy from you guys. So you want to make sure you provide some quality quality leads, well, bribes or whatever you want to call it. I believe in providing value. Give them some they can use. Then it says create a download page to your bribe, and you can access all this training inside this office that I'll have a link below to get you started in that area if you want to. So these are just links that these are just checklists that you need to go through. Have an offer on your thank you page. And I'm going to tell you the reason why you need to do that is because if you're paying for traffic and they go to your download page, you need to have an offer because, you're in the business. You're in the opting in. These leads are for business. So make sure you have something to maybe catch their attention. Okay. Then you have to have a follow-up sequel, guys. So that's something that you need to do, and you need to have this checklist to make sure you doing this. You print this out and then put it in a binder and check it off and make sure you have all this stuff. Yeah, and look at it. Have you shared your free offer to Facebook? That's another thing. Have you shared it on a blog post or forum or group? Have you created a video on the topic and posted on YouTube? Yeah, you will see this video here on YouTube, and then you will see an article with this video on it on my williedjournette.com site. Have you built a Facebook audience and used it as tracking pills? Because that's if you want to use Facebook ads, and things of that nature. And if you want to run it through Facebook. So yeah, this is some things that you can do. Have you did split tests to increase your conversion to see which opt-in page works better than the other one, guys? Those are the little things. If you don't have a checklist, man, you'll forget about this. Have you purchased a solo ad from a trusted seller? There's a video I have on that too, somewhere on my channel. Yeah, because all solo vendors are not, don't give you the best lead service. So that's, and within our back office, we have a very good solo ad provider. So guys, you can take a look at that later on. So let's just click away from this one. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's go ahead and get back going with the training, and we'll go to another one. Now, let's go to TD Pages now. Guys, TD Pages is another lead capture or squeeze page that I considered very good, and I created a video and I put it on my profile today. And guys, I'm telling you, TD Pages is a pretty good squeeze page. So if you opt in and actually look at TD Pages, this is the checklist that you have to go through to make sure that you are doing everything right. This is a nice little check-in. Also, TD Pages is right. It's really, really good. Another thing, you want to have a attention grabbing header. We didn't talk about that in the previous checklist. That's why you want to come in and look at this checklist. You want to have an attention grabbing header. And I got a video tutorial on helping you be able to do that. It's within the channel, guys, within the channel. So let's just click away from here. And here we go. This is a thank you page. Okay, it doesn't exist right now, and we will get to that because it's vital that you have a thank you page. Let's just see some. Okay, let's go through here. Yeah, and this is some of the same things. offline squeeze page. You want to go through and double check all this. But like I said, guys, the best thing to do for this is go ahead and print this and get familiar with your checklist, and then you'll know where you're making your mistakes at. And let me see, they got offline thank you page. I don't know if that's available or not. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, that's offline. If you're doing some things for offline business, yeah, here you go. Here's a checklist that you need to go through. If I was you, if to make a little list of what checklist you would like to use for this. Okay. Now, webinar signups. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Webinars. I used to think webinars wasn't that good. Webinars are really, really good. Let me tell you what you do when you hit with webinars. Man. You really get the people who are serious about want to come into your business. So there's a checklist for that. So if you choose to do webinars, this is the process and steps you need to go to before you start it. Here's the checklist that you need to go through. It's very powerful, guys. It is very powerful. Okay, let's go through. This is powerful too, guys. Your follow-up. Your follow-up is powerful. And see, it tells you what you need to do. Yeah. Look here. It just, what I'm trying to say, it gives you everything you need to do when it comes to follow-up. You know, you let the subscribers know. This is what I like. Remind the subscribers what they signed up for. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Powerful. So, I mean, like I said, I would just print this out and put it in a binder so I can go through this when I do it. And then check this out, guys. This is really, really powerful. Yeah. They take you through just a natural checklist to get your autoresponder set up. Yeah. Just a nice little checklist. I'm telling you guys, this particular company, Traffic Domination, spent some time to prepare you for this. Something that you don't have to do, guys. You cannot get any better than this, okay? So let's click on down. They got the Aweber checklist, active campaign, different optimized press landing page setup, which are my optimized press where they don't have it yet. So eventually they will have it. So Thrive, let's see if they got the Thrive. Yeah. The Thrive package. Yeah. Oh my goodness, man. Yeah. This is very, very powerful, guys. Very powerful. So the Thrive Architect install. Yeah, if you have that particular theme, here's the checklist that you can go by just to make sure you're tracking. Let's say free landing page setup. Not available yet. So we just thumb through. And then this is something, I hope this one is available right here, guys. Yeah, it's available. This is one I am telling you, it took me years to go through this right here. I'm telling you guys, you need to look at this. The first one is very important. We recommend don't use info at and admin at. Yeah. And I'm tracking on why they say that, because those email addresses end up going into the spam folder, guys. Guys, I'm just telling you, this little site right here, this M2 box, if you have a domain or email addresses and it's already out there being blocked, you won't get an email. You won't get any of your messages going to their inbox, guys. Yeah. And then you need this checklist. This checklist so far, I'm just telling you right now, this checklist, this right here kill your business if you don't have this checklist right here. You need this checklist right here. Yeah. It took me, I spent a couple months before I actually got it right to where I'm getting good delivery to my email. And I just was a dog, and I decided, hey, I've got to find out a way to get emails to come in. And I'll teach you a training on that sometime later. Okay. And then we're talking about just list building methods, guys, things that you need to do to build a list. You know, looks, side forms, screen pop up, light pop. Just go through this. You know, have some on your Twitter profile, on your Instagram profile, on your Facebook fan page, on your personal profile. Yeah, you want to have all this stuff set up. But yeah, I'm telling you, if you don't have this list, guys, man, you probably not gonna think about you're not gonna think about doing these things. So yeah, guys, yeah, you need this list. So like I said, I will have a link below to this powerful funnel that you can come in and join, and come in and get this list, guys. This email marketing checklist, where you can improve your status of things that you probably thought you were doing with this checklist you wasn't doing. So guys, I want to go ahead and cut this video short, and hopefully I'll have another checklist video on something in the back office of this traffic domination system. This system is powerful. 109,000 people here, so it must be doing well. Guys, take care. See you on the next video. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.